Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the Spring 2020 FABFITFUN box. So let's see what's inside. This box is $49.99 every 3 months, so every season, and it is $49.99 US. So, you know, $1,000 Canadian. Let me move my wine glass out of the way. Alright, so I'm going to open it up, and it's got the pamphlet brochure that tells us everything that's inside.
Inside of the box is very pretty too. Sorry.
Oh look, it's just like glossy box. That look fantastic, or that look fantastic. America's #1 meal kit. So this is the box, and let's get inside and see. Whoa!
You almost said that.
I know, I just almost destroyed everything. And see what's inside. Alright, so we're going to open it up, and we're not going to move, so it's a surprise to all of us. And I don't think I've seen any spoilers.
I'm pretty excited.
Pick this first tubular item. So this is from the brand AG Hair Care. It's called Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner, and it says moisture. Moist. So, you know, pretty self-explanatory. Let's smell it. Should we smell it?
Yeah, you should smell it.
Let's smell it. Oh, it smells very nice. Oh,
some came in.
it smells kind of like cherries,
Cute.
maybe? Maybe?
I think that's exactly right, yeah.
Or almonds, you know, two very different things, but smell
Maybe
similar.
Mixed. Maybe mixed.
It's item number 1. Okay, item number 2 is, ooh,
That's a
I
nice
think
looking
this
one.
is the item you can customize.
We have a brush like that right now.
3 things. I know, but it was sparkly. So this is one of the items that I did choose, and it is a hairbrush. It comes in a nice mesh little bag. Oh. Try not to wreck it. So this is an Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. And this is very nice rose gold color. Oh look, there's you, Jason. That's really pretty, isn't it? And then it's got...
I like it. I like that style of brush.
A little ASMR.
You're gonna put everybody to sleep doing that.
Yeah. It's just nice to look at. It would look nice on
You
your
look
vanity.
good brushing your hair using that brush.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so that's item number 2. Okay, item number 3 is a little box. So it's from the brand Winky Lux. And it is a rainbow balm. So it's a lip balm. I'm going to guess it's rainbow colored. Oh, it's like a silver bullet. Or a
Looks
silver
more like
pill.
a pill casing.
Yeah, pill.
Oh my god. It's down there. It's covered in plastic though, it looks like. Maybe.
No, it's not. So
Oh.
here's the lip balm. It kind of broke out of its package. So that's nice. Oh yeah, look at how wobbly that is.
It was probably broken before you
Yeah.
even opened it.
So I'm gonna try and smush it down, but you can see it's multicolored. But it's broken. So not very excited about that.
As far as lip balms go, you wouldn't use it even if it wasn't broken?
No, I would use it if it wasn't broken. That's why I'm gonna try and repair it.
Yeah.
So item number 3, not too terribly excited about. Okay, item number 4, another squeezy tube, and it is a deep sleep body cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior. Savior spelled with a U, Jason. For better nights and brighter mornings.
What's that mean?
That's Canadian or European. Okay. And it's from the brand This Works, and it is from the London, UK. So use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. You know, I love that word, whilst.
It's whimsical.
Oh. It is a little whimsical, a little, what do you say? How do you do?
Little la-di-da.
A little la-di-da. If it smells like lavender, though, I'm not going to.
It's tough to get open.
Yeah. Okay. It's all lavender all the time, so maybe you would like that?
Oh, I really like that, actually.
Yeah, I don't love this. Lavender just gives me a headache.
I really like it.
I don't know why. So what is that, item number 4?
It's very nice.
It's nice, yes. All right, item number 5 is a long box. Oh, very long box. Oh, silicone straws. 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a plastic case.
Oh, for
from the
scrubbing inside them.
Yeah, from
wow.
Chic and Tonic. Maybe you can see that.
I want to see how big these are.
And it's from the Full Bloom collection.
See, there's 4 of them in there? They're going
Yeah.
to be huge, maybe.
So that's good for the environment.
Yeah.
Well, there's a case in here, too, it says.
Oh.
Well, they are fairly large.
Yeah.
Yeah. You get 4 brightly colored straws and a cleaner. And...
What's that thing?
the carrying case.
How's that
So
work?
I guess, well, they're silicone. So they
Oh,
probably
you
just
bend them all up.
bend
Oh
up
my
in
goodness.
there.
Okay.
Yeah. So you probably only put like maybe the one you're going to use that day.
That's
in
very
here.
responsible.
But that's very cool. Always about helping out the environment.
Yeah.
Yeah, leaving it better than we found it, right?
That's right.
For the children. The
Children
future.
are the future. There's a whole song.
I know. I'm going to sing it.
Don't do it.
I believe the children are the future. Okay.
Stop now.
All right, item number 6. Big old box. Oh, oh. So this is from the brand Wei, or WEI. It's a China Herbal Beauty 2-in-1 Purifying and Glow Mask Collection. Very pretty packaging on that. Oh, I need my trusty knife. Oh, cut away from my body. Yes, I'm doing it.
Very responsible.
Per my YouTube comment. Oh, wow. That's cool. So, like, each little pod is a different mask.
Oh, that's a really good idea.
Yeah, and then it comes with a brush for applying it. That's real. I've never seen something like that before. It's also upside down. So we've got 4 purifying mud masks.
Well, show what the other one
and
is.
4 Ready Glow exfoliating masks. That is really neat. So yeah, these just all pop out.
Oh.
That one's on the floor now. Oh, where's on the chair? It's on the chair.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it looks like a pat of butter, kind of.
It's about that size.
That's very cool. I'm going to enjoy trying this.
I think it's a great idea.
Yeah. Right. Item number 8. 8? Why am I so bad at this?
I wasn't
1,
counting
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's item number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's number 7.
Oh, sorry. Yes, that's right.
What is this? It looks like a shirt.
Looks like a pajama shirt or something. If it was a full pajama set, that'd be pretty excellent.
It says it's a cardigan.
Was that like a sweater?
It's like a sweater. Oh, it's ribbed for my pleasure.
Oh, wow, that's a really nice shirt. Holy moly. It looks really comfortable. That's why I thought it was
really
pajamas,
comfortable.
because it looks like
I'm gonna put it
extremely
on.
comfortable.
So this is from the brand Johnny. And it's an easy to wear collection of seasonal essentials that are hard to take off. Yeah. This is made of, it's a sand wash cardigan.
That's really nice.
It is nice. And it's, so I got the plus size. Because I'm a big gal, but yeah.
That's fortunate.
Let's put it on. Ooh, oh.
It really fits you good.
It's got 3/4 length sleeves though. That's
it's like a bathrobe or whatever, kind of.
That'll be good for over the pajamas. It's got a pink thread. I don't know where that came from.
It's really nice.
It's got like 3/4 length sleeves, maybe a little shorter than that. It's got pockets.
Everybody can use those.
Yeah, very nice. Item number 8 is our last item. It looks like. Oh, I picked these too. So these are packing cubes, and they're huge.
Oh wow.
So it's a 3-piece set. You get a small, medium, and large.
Oh, like you put this inside your luggage with
Yeah,
your
and so
stuff
remember I bought those when we went
I really
to
like
Florida,
them. Yeah,
and they
like
made life a lot easier. And they're a fun color, happy color. These are really, really, really handy. Making your package a little...
Keeping your suitcase organized.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're like a yellow and peach ombre, I guess. So this is obviously the large. And then...
That's really nice.
The medium. And so, yeah, it's got a zipper on the back, too. You can add more stuff, which is very cool.
And 3 different sizes. The bags are like really good quality.
Ours are not that big, so that's really nice. Yeah. And then the small is still quite large.
It's really big.
And they're all the same, like peach.
That would be your
color.
toiletries or whatever would go in that bag.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Or like your bathing suits, underpants.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we got 3 of those, which is very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice.
I really like that.
Yeah, me too. Okay, so let's get some pricing. So it says the total value of our box can be between $232 and $503.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. All right. So first item was the ribbed sweater coat at $99.
99. That's a really nice sweater coat.
Yes. So. And then the packing cubes are a total of $40, and that is in, I think, sorbet is the color we got.
I think that's reasonable for the quality of those bags.
Yeah.
I would pay that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the We 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection, $45. The Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush is $35.
Yep. It's a nice brush.
It is a very nice brush.
It's a really nice
the AG Hair Care Fast Food is 5A, and that is $24. Yep. Okay, and then this thing, the Winky Lux Rainbow Lip that was damaged, unfortunately, is $18. The Deep Sleep Body Cocoon is $40. And I think that was it. Oh, no, the straws. Where are the straws? The straws are $15. And I think that was everything.
That's not a high price to pay for reusable straws of
No.
such. Yeah.
What's our value, Jason?
The total is $316.
American. So I paid $49 for this box. What'd you say, $316?
$316, yeah.
So it's kind of like we're in the middle range, $230. No, you know, I would have preferred the $503 value.
I think you got it. I think you got a good quality.
But I like everything I got aside from this broken thing. Yeah. Let's pick our favorites. Right. So let's pick our favorites. We had some technical difficulty. All right. I'm gonna go with this brush because it's pretty.
As number 1?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's a okay.
This brush is number 1.
It's a very nice brush.
It's a very nice brush. Oh no.
Oh no, upside down.
I effed everything up.
Can't say that.
I can say effed. It
Okay.
could be I funded up.
You had
Fund
some fun
everything
there.
up.
You had a lot of fun just now.
I did. Okay, number 2 is this because I think it's really cool and I haven't seen much like this.
I agree with that.
And then the packing cubes because they're handy and they're pretty.
And they're very high quality, it seems.
And they're very good quality, it feels like, and they're very helpful. And then this, just because it's gonna be cozy.
I think it's a tight battle between that sweater, cardigan, and the bags.
Yeah. So we're gonna go with this next, and then the straws because we love to help the environment and they're fun colors. And then the leave-on conditioner, not leave-in, it's leave-on.
What does that mean? You put it on your dryer.
And then this, a deep sleep body cocoon, just because I don't love the smell of lavender. And then this, just because it was broken.
I really like that lavender cream, though.
Well, you can use it then, my love. Okay, so that was the Spring FabFitFun box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, and I hope you enjoy watching it. So, everybody, I hope you have a great day, and yes, thanks for watching. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can like and subscribe here. And there's more videos down here if you want to see more of my beautiful face. or our wordy commentary. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.